Hey there! Did you know many shoppers browse in low-light environments? Dark mode makes browsing easier on the eyes and gives your store a sleek, modern look. With NightTheme, enabling dark mode is quick and easy. Give your customers a better experience. Try NightTheme today. Let me show you how to set it up. 1. Install NightTheme from the Shopify App Store. 2. Enable the switcher in your theme settings and click Save. Now let's preview it in your store. Try switching the theme. You can also customize the switcher's position: top right, top left, bottom right, or bottom left. Let's set it to bottom right, save, and there it is. Want to control the default mode for first-time visitors? For the best experience, we recommend Auto Mode, which adapts to their system settings. If anything looks off in dark mode, like button colors or image backgrounds, you can fine-tune them using advanced configuration. For example, let's change the icon color to blue. See the difference? Now let's switch it to green. These styles only apply in dark mode. Once everything is set, make it live, choose a plan, and switch the status to active. Now your customers can enjoy a smooth dark mode experience. Thanks for watching. Feel free to reach out if you need any help.